Hello again, everybody. Watching our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Rookie Anthology box break number 34.
Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton.
So before we start, I do appreciate the business and thank you very much for participating. I wouldn't be able to do without you guys and girls, so thank you. And if you'd like to stick around, I have a few announcements at the end. If you'd like to stick around and listen, that'd be great. And here you go, NE 181-173-941. Best of luck, everybody. Do this pack at the end. Here we go. Pack 1. We have base. We have a rookie rivalry card between the Blue Jackets and Predators of John Moore and Jonathan Bloom. So do this at the end. Randomize it. Base and base. Pack 2. We have base. We have a pinnacle rookie for the Blue Jackets of Alan York. Decoy. Base and base. Pack 3. We have base. We have a pinnacle rookie for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Robert Bortuzzo. Decoy. Base and base. Pack 4. We have base and base. We have a Color Contenders rookie card for the Philadelphia Flyers of Sari Zolnierchuk. 11 out of 9.99. Decoy. Base and base. Pack 5. We have base. We have a pinnacle rookie for the Ducks of Peter Holland. Decoy. Base and base. Pack 6. We have base. We have a pinnacle rookie for the Flames of Lance Boma. Decoy. Base and base. Pack 7. We have base. We have a rookie rivalry card between the Rangers and Penguins of Tim Erickson and Simone DePriest. This will be randomized at the end. Base and base. Pack 8. Base. We have a Crown Royal rookie for the Florida Panthers of Brian Foster. Decoy. Base and base. Pack 9. Base. We have a pinnacle rookie for the Predators of Gabriel Bork. Decoy. Base and base. Pack 10. We have base. We have a rookie treasures hit for the Coyotes of Andy Mealy, dual jersey and auto. 348 out of 499. Nice hit for the Coyotes. Base and base. And last pack before we do the randoms. We have a hit for Columbus. It's a Crown Royal auto card of John Moore. So let's set up the randoms. 1 second. Alright, here we go. First one will be between Columbus and Nashville. Randomize it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Columbus. In between the Rangers and Penguins. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Pittsburgh. So for those of you who haven't heard this announcement yet, I do have my own website up running, breakawaysc.com. If you go to our site and you can click on the register button, you register for the month of August, and we're giving away a free box of 2011-2012 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection to one lucky person that does register. That's in the month of August. So you have our Twitter and Facebook tabs here. You can click on them. If you follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook, we'll put your name in and an additional 2 times for our monthly draw. We're doing live group breaks as well on BlogTV. You can click on our little link right here and it'll take you right to our BlogTV page. And we do have group breaks listed. Those who aren't familiar with group breaks, we have our types of group breaks and the rules, and then a few that we have listed. So just so you know, we have up for auction tonight. They're ending. It's an 8-box case break of titanium, and you get to just bid on your team like you did in the last break that we just watched. And anybody that enters into this break, so there'll be 30 teams, your name will be put into random.org and we'll randomize a list. And what we'll do is we'll give away a free spot in our actual titanium live draft group break we have ending Sunday night. So hopefully we're going to do this one, and then right after that we'll do the live draft 8-box case of titanium. So this box is for all those that are bidding on the teams in eBay tonight. So how the live draft works is there's 29 spots. All members will be put in random.org. We'll randomize the list, and whoever ends up first on the list will gets first pick. So if they take Edmonton, they have Edmonton. They carries through all 8 boxes. So you go from pick 1 to 29, and then we break the box. So if you want to check us out on BlogTV, we're going to be live tomorrow night. And like I said, this one is up for their auction style on eBay, and the other one we have is on our website. It's $31 a spot. There is a few spots left, and there's not that many. But like I said again, the eBay one where you bid on the team, each certain team, your name will be put into the draw. We'll do that right after we break this case live on BlogTV tomorrow evening. So if you're interested, check us out. It'd be great to have you register on the site, and it'd be great to see you live on BlogTV.